Hello there, guys. So, this reading is for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. So, titignan natin ang relationship aspect no, ng mga Scorpions for this reading. Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus sign. What do they need to know in love? What do they need to know in love? By the way, I don't read any reverse cards, and I also don't read yung mga nalalaglag na cards unlike other tarot readers. So, I'm just gonna pull the first three cards for you, and then I'll try to interpret them and ask clarifying questions later on. Alright. Eight of Swords. So, we'll see kung magpa-pop ulit tong card na to later. Alright. Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus sign. What do they need to know? What do they need to know? Alright. So, your first card is the Nine of Cups. Nine of Cups, so almost, no? Almost an ultimate fulfillment. Kasi Nine of Cups, no? Bago pa maka-reach ng Ten of Cups, Nine of Cups muna. And so, parang nandudun ka na sa isang fulfilling relationship, no? You could have been in a really fulfilling relationship before. And the lovers, by the way, sabi ko nga, I don't read reversals. So, so far, dito sa dalawang card, parang medyo um, positive na yung reading for you, guys, no? For Scorpios out there. So, Nine of Cups, sabi nga natin, ang Ten of Cups kasi, ito yung ultimate fulfillment. Sa Nine of Cups kasi, parang andudon ka na, no? Sa situation, sa atmosphere, nararamdaman mo pa siya. But there is something lacking. And, para naman sa present card mo, you got the lovers. The lovers, of course, uh, signifies partnership, no? In other contexts, no, aside sa or besides sa love reading, the lovers could signify you making a decision. So if we're going to put this card, no, sa context ng love and relationship, you could be deciding, no, about something, of course, relationship related, yung decision na gagawin mo in the near future, or pwedeng nandito ka na sa energy na to, no? You are deciding on whether to walk away from this love or relationship. So, that could be that, no? Pwedeng nagpa-ponder ka na kung dapat mo bang iwanan or dapat ka bang mag-stay sa relationship na to. Kasi Nine of Cups, almost pa lang eh. Parang yes, the happiness, no, the joy, andyan siya. No? Pwedeng masaya ka sa relationship, but pwede ring surface level lang yung nararamdaman mong happiness dun sa relationship na yun kasi hindi ka pa fulfilled. There's something lacking. And Five of Cups is a card of disappointment. No? So, dun sa, I'm not sure kung familiar kayo dun sa ganitong type ng tarot cards, no? Kasi I'm using the Mondays tarot. So medyo iba yung illustration niya. So Five of Cups, again, this is a card of disappointment, no? Makikita natin yung lalaki dito, no? Uh, Rider Waite tarot na dito sa typical or parang most common cards na nakikita natin. Yung lalaki kasi diyan, nag-grieve siya, no? Meron siyang pinanghihinayangan na cups na natapon. So, Five of Cups, I can sense na parang nanghihinayang ka sa relationship. That's why you can't let that go. That's why nandito din yung the lovers kasi parang you're making a decisions or a decision. So that's what I sense, no, from this reading, from these cards, I mean. So let's clarify on the Nine of Cups. Clarify natin yung Nine of Cups. Ano ba yung kailangan malaman ng mga Scorpio, no, sa Nine of Cups? Parang I can feel na you're almost there, but there's something missing. Alright. So you got the Two of Swords. Alright. Two of Swords. Again, ina-expect ko lalabas yung Two of Swords dito sa The Lovers kasi Two of Swords parang it's also a card of decision eh. Two of Swords parang it's a third place solution, card of third place solution. Ibig sabihin, naghahanap ka ng solution sa current situation mo na wala sa option. Parang ganon. So, you you only have two options, pero if we draw the Two of Swords card, that means you are being encouraged, no, to find a third place solution, another solution other than the options you currently have right now. So, dahil lumabas siya, no, as sa clarifying card dito sa Nine of Cups, nasa-sense ko na parang ang ultimate fulfillment na hinahanap mo, yung ultimate happiness, yung joy, yung satisfaction, hindi mo siya mahanap sa relationship na pinanggalingan mo or sa relationship mo ngayon. Kasi, although lagi namang may turn around yung mga bagay-bagay, no, ultimately, kaya nating i-save yung isang relationship from actually, 'di ba, breaking, 'di ba? Hindi naman kailangan mauuwi agad sa breakup. But then again, I can sense na you're really trying to make a decision here. Okay? So, Two of Swords, I just can sense, no? I can feel na mahanap mo siya somewhere else. Ngayon, tarot reading is just for your guidance, no? This doesn't have to be the parang answer sa mga questions ninyo or hindi naman automatically susundin nyo na yung mga sinasabi ng cards. But then, these are guidance, no, na maaring magbigay sa inyo ng or ma-enlighten kayo through these cards. Makapag-reflect kayo, no, sa kung ano yung mga decision na kailangan ninyong gawin regarding your love life. So, I want to clarify the Two of Swords naman. Just to, give us a clearer picture kung ano ba tong Two of Swords na to. Okay, let's clarify the Two of Swords. Okay, so you got the King of Pentacles. So, King of Pentacles, kings are very stable, and pentacles signify, of course, money. So, you could have been in a relationship wherein hindi masyadong stable yung finances. Especially if you are partnered with a guy. So, pwedeng hindi siya ganun ka-stable. Baka you have plans, no? And pwedeng yung partner nyo, hindi siya ganun ka involved sa relationship. Kung kayo may plano, baka siya wala. So, that could be, no? Possible reason bakit hindi natin na-attain tong ultimate fulfillment natin dito sa Nine of Cups. So, ito yung sinasabi ng uh, King of Pentacles. Now, let's clarify the lovers. The lovers. Let's clarify the lovers. Ano ba yung decision na kailangan gawin ng mga Scorpio at this time? Tungkol saan ba ito? Okay. Give us a clear picture. Please enlighten us about this card, the lovers. What do Scorpions need to know at this moment? Again, nasa present na tayo, no? Present. Although, ang reading naman is timeless. However you want to see it, no? Sabi nga nila, take it how it resonates. So, I wanted to clarify the lovers card. The lovers. Oops. Alright. So, lovers card, you got the moon. The moon, I can see na medyo hirap kang mag-decide because there are things na hindi mo nakikita. May mga bagay ka na hindi alam. May mga bagay na naghihintay ka pang mabigyan ng linaw. No? So, ayun yung sinasabi ng moon. Let's try to ask kung ano ba yung mga bagay, no, na kinakailangan maging malinaw sa'yo for you to make a move. No? To move forward sa decision na to. Let's clarify on the moon. The moon. Alright. The Hermit. So, parang walang binibigay na answer sa atin yung cards kasi the Hermit signifies wisdom. So, I'm trying to draw answers from the card, no, kung ano ba yung specific step na kailangan mong gawin. But then, this card tells us na it really depends on you. It really depends on your wisdom. Again, the Hermit is the archetype of wisdom. No? Dito sa common cards na nakikita natin, siya yung matanda na may hawak ng lamp. So, think about the Hermit, no, na umakyat ng bundok to introspect. No? So, maybe this card is asking you to go within. Kasi sa totoo lang naman, 'di ba? Tayo lang yung makakapagbigay ng sagot, no, sa mga tanong na meron tayo. Yes, there are some things na maaaring hindi natin alam pa at the moment na pwedeng in the near future, no, magkaroon tayo ng linaw sa mga bagay na to. But then, we can always draw wisdom, no, from ourselves. No? If we just go within, if we reflect, for sure meron tayong makukuhang bagong insights from ourselves. Now, let's clarify the Five of Cups. Ito yung gusto kong maintindihan, no, kanina pa. But this reading actually makes a lot of sense kasi from the Nine of Cups na although Nine of Cups is actually a really positive card, but then in this reading, no, particularly, parang hindi ganun yung na-feel ko sa Nine of Cups. So, sa Five of Cups, I can feel na since wala ka nang fulfillment, no, you're very dissatisfied with the situation, with your relationship. So let's clarify on the Five of Cups. What do Scorpios need to know? What do Scorpios need to know? Please clarify the Five of Cups. Please clarify the Five of Cups. Alright. So King of Wands. King of Wands, it's just basically asking you, no, to be firm, no, with whatever decision you're trying to make. And if you feel dissatisfied with the situation, ask yourself, it's either you try to turn the relationship around, or would it be the time for you to walk away? So ikaw lang naman ang makakasagot niyan. Again, this is a general reading. You have to take, how these cards resonate with your situation. So let's clarify on the King of Wands. Again, clarification card itong King of Wands sa Five of Wands, but I still wanted to understand, kung ano ba yung sinasabi ng mga cards na to. Alright. So again, sabi ko hindi ako um, mag-read ng mga cards na nahuhulog. So, pero Eight of Wands is actually a card of a fast movement. Okay. King of Wands. King of Wands, the Magician. So the Magician is a card of alchemy, turning water into wine. Diba? So the Magician, meron siyang kakayahang yun nga, mag-alchemize, mag-manifest, whatever. So, tinatanong ko kanina, if kailangan mo bang mag-walk away dun sa situation, sa relationship, or does does it, sorry, either mag-walk away ka, or is it still parang savable, or kung may word man na savable, kaya pa bang i-salvage, no, yung relationship? Kaya pa bang magkaroon ng turnaround sa relationship? And again, the Magician is actually turning water into wine nga. Something negative, no, kaya niyang i-alchemize. Kasi this card can do magic, no? One of the major arcana, one of the cards in the major arcana, the Magician. So, kaya niyang mag-alchemize, no? Baguhin yung situation niya. So, hindi naman laging breakup yung solution, di ba? Scorpio, sa lahat ng situation. Baka you can talk to your partner, talk to the other person, no? Address the problem. So, let us clarify the Magician. One last card for you. One last card, the Magician. Alright. Princess of Cups. So, ang counterpart nito dun sa Rider-Waite Tarot is the Page of Cups. Pages are messengers, no? And the cups is emotion. So, again, this whole situation, 'no, na nakikita ko, it's really dependent, 'no, on how you would assess the situation. Paano mo, ah, i-a-alchemize yung situation, paano mo bibigyan ng solution etong problem at hand. Again, iba-iba tayo ng iba-iba ng situation, 'no, ang bawat tao. So, again, this is general reading. It would really depend on your situation. Uh, can you still salvage your relationship? Or is it time for you to go? So, ask yourself, Scorpio. Alright, Scorpio, I had to pause my recording. Pero anyway, ayun yung mga sinasabi ng cards. Now, na-shuffle ko na itong uh, Spirit Animal Oracle prior to this reading. And now I'm gonna pull an oracle card for you, just to close this reading. And you got the Butterfly Spirit. Butterfly Spirit transformation is beautiful. So let me read the message of this oracle card. Butterfly Spirit transformation is beautiful. The oracle message of this card: joy and the beautiful lightness of being alive and creative in the world is the focus when butterfly spirit flutters before you. Transformation is inevitable as you grow into your most beautiful, empowered self. Indeed, you will go through some uncomfortable stages as you let go of the forms of your life that no longer fit the new you. Even relationships must go through shifts to match your new emerging self. If you focus on the beauty and not the challenges, stop talking to yourself too seriously, and choose to be playful, loving, and joyous, you will soon know the miracle your soul wants to experience through you. Today is a day for joy, so alight. Look around and see the beauty that is everywhere and in everyone, including you. The protection message: transformation does not have to be as traumatic or dramatic as things may seem to be right now. Remember, change is the only true constant. When you resist it, you create a tension within you as you refuse to accept the inevitable. This moment, you might have forgotten the beauty and joy of life as it moves through its seasons as nature dictates. You are being faced with a choice now. Again, you are being faced with a choice now. You can struggle with the current conditions, refusing to surrender, and see through the lens of lack and loss. Or you can surrender to the grace that is calling you to allow life to take its course, moving through the sadness and disappointment. Surrender will soften you, inviting you to bask in gratitude and see through the lens of curiosity. These are the keys to turning into the infinite potential available to you now. Butterfly Spirit knows the beauty and the light you are now in the brink of discovery. Let go and trust that it is there for you. So that's all I got for you, Scorpio. Thank you so much for watching this reading.